Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in like this glow overlay on top of a black and white video on CapCut PC. So just right click on your video, copy, right click paste, then go to effects and go to comic and add in the neon glow on top of that, like the neon. Go back to media and add in any color of your choice for the glow and select linear burn. You can also maybe just use the linear burn. You can also use color burn, I guess, but as you can see, some of it is yellow in some parts. And then you're going to go back to effects and you're going to select light effect and you're going to add in the angel effect on top. Adjust it a little bit, then go to lens and add in an edge glow on top as well. Select these like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right click and then select create compound clip. Go to blend mode and choose either brighten or screen. Go to your original video, go to adjustments and then turn down the saturation to -50. Also turn down the brightness as well and turn up the contrast a little bit. Just play around with this until you get the results that you want. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!